We so love our little ones, but the fact is they grow up so fast and outgrow their bedrooms. If your tween wants a bedroom makeover with teen style, you don't need to spend a fortune on a complete overhaul. With some creativity and clever ideas and help from White Knight, you can go from this to this in a day. Ava and Mum Margaret have asked for my help in creating a tropical teen theme. So it's out with the pastels, bunting and butterflies, but the furnishings can stay. To keep this project on a $500 budget, we're going to upcycle as much as we can. And with White Knight's amazing specialty paints, we can transform anything from timber, plastics, metals and ceramics. While Margaret and Ava get started on a fresh coat of paint for the walls, I'm getting started with my first crafty idea. Teenagers love their sleep, so the bed is the #1 furniture piece that you've got to get right. It's time now for Ava to really stretch out into a double bed. Her parents found this one in a garage sale. It's perfect, almost. This bed head is a great shape, but the metal is a bit grown up and not that much fun. So I'm using White Knight squirts to give it a new lease of life. What I love about this product, it's a paint and primer in one. That means the undercoat is already in the can. It's really hard wearing, super quick, and it bonds well to metal like this, timber, plastics, a whole heap of surfaces. Meanwhile, to get our tropical theme going, we're using these pink Flamingo stencils to update the wardrobe doors. White Knight Strokes is a high-gloss, oil-based craft and decorative paint that's perfect for this job. It comes in a fun range of bright and neutral colours and is touch dry and ready for a second coat in 4 to 6 hours. Every teenager needs a study desk, and to give this existing one a fresh new look, I'm using the White Knight squirts again. It's going to tie in beautifully with the new colour scheme. To get an even finish, I'm using a sweeping motion with several light coats. And to make sure the paint doesn't drip, I'm holding a can about 20 centimetres away from the desktop surface. Storage is a big must-have in a teen room, but to liven it up, I'm spraying the backs of these units for a pop of colour. I've gone to my local hardware store, picked up this sheet of MDF. I'm turning it into a chalkboard using White Knight chalkboard paint. You can use this on most smooth timber surfaces and even metal if it's primed. Lastly, don't forget about all the little accessories. They really are the finishing touches to any room. If you like something, but it's not working with your new theme, you know what to do. Spray it. White Knight Squirts is fast and easy to use. And it's a good thing it's touch dry in just 10 minutes, because my time is almost up. So there you have it, a really affordable teen room transformation. This space costs less than $500. So it goes to show, if you work with what you've got, you can save a lot. And upcycling your old stuff with the great range of White Knight craft and decorative paints has never been easier. So the only catch in updating a teenager's room? They may never want to leave home.